The 335-Year War. In 1651, the Netherlands declared war on the Isles of Scilly, a tiny part of England. But just weeks later, the English conflict the Dutch were involved in ended. The Dutch fleet sailed home without firing a single shot, and everyone simply forgot to declare peace. For 335 years, the islands were technically at war with a global power. This bizarre clerical error went unnoticed until a local historian discovered it in 1986. A peace treaty was officially signed, finally ending the longest and most peaceful war in history, the War of the Oaken Bucket. In 1325 Italy, the rival city-states of Bologna and Modena went to war over a wooden bucket. As legend tells it, Modenese soldiers snuck into Bologna and stole the oaken bucket from the main city well. When Modena refused to return it, Bologna declared war. At the ensuing Battle of Zappolino, Bologna's larger army was shockingly defeated, and about 2,000 men were killed. The bucket was never returned, and is still displayed in Modena, a reminder that thousands once died over a piece of hardware. If you're enjoying this tour through history's dumbest wars, do us a solid and hit that subscribe button. The Pig War. In 1859, on the disputed San Juan Islands between the U.S. and Britain, an American farmer shot a pig for eating his potatoes. The pig belonged to a British man, and the argument quickly escalated from a small dispute into a full-blown military crisis. The U.S. sent soldiers, and Britain responded with warships. Thankfully, the British commander refused to involve two great nations in a war over a squabble about a pig. This led to a 12-year joint military occupation until an arbitrator gave the islands to the U.S. The only casualty in the entire standoff was the pig that started it all, the Great Emu War. Finally, we went to Australia in 1932 for the Great Emu War. After WWWI, veteran farmers were plagued by 20,000 emus destroying their wheat crops. The farmers begged for help, so the government sent the military, armed with machine guns, to deal with the problem. But the emus proved to be tactical geniuses, running in zigzag patterns and splitting into small groups. The soldiers couldn't hit them. After a humiliating campaign, the military withdrew in defeat, becoming a running joke in the press. It was a hilarious reminder that sometimes, even with machine guns, nature wins. And if you enjoyed these historical absurdities, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching.